Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn letter H sound H. Letter H sound H. Letter H sound H. Okay, let's see the pictures. First one is hat. Her hat. Letter H sound H. Next is hair. Hair. Her hair. Next one is her hands. Her hands. Beginning letter H sound H. Her hands. Her hands. Next picture is hut. Hut. Her hut. Her hut. Next one is her hammer. Her hammer. Beginning letter H sound H. Okay, next picture is hamster. Her hamster. Her hamster. Now the next picture is hen. Her hen. Beginning letter H sound H. Her hen. Next picture we have is hammock. Hammock. Her hammock. Next picture we have hamburger. Hamburger. Beginning letter H sound H. Hamburger. Next is horse. Her horse. Her horse. Now the next picture is, this is hut. Her hut. Her hut. Beginning letter H sound H. Next is house. Her house. Her house. House. Letter H sound H. Letter H sound H. Helicopter. Helicopter. Beginning letter H sound H. There are so many other words like hot. Her hot. Her hot. Her hills. Her hills. Her hills. Then head. Her head. Her head. Her head. So the beginning letter is letter H sound H. Letter H sound H. Letter H sound H. I hope children your sound of letter H is clear. Okay.